everyone, this is Audra with Pathfinder Strong. Keep watching because today I'm going to show you the really cool fundraiser that we're doing. Hey guys, today we are doing this. And if you look around in our gymnasium here, we have been making cookies for like the past 5 hours, and we made all this. So we're selling cookie boxes as a fundraiser. We get $15 a box, and then we just spend one Saturday night and we set up stations all over the gym, and we have an adult with a couple kids at every station, and we just bake cookies. So I've got some footage of the different stations and how that's working. I want to show you now. The one that says cookie kit, the boxes, is Miss Darcy with Caleb and Jonathan, which Caleb is this Renee and Noah. Sweet.
What are we doing, Noah? Tell me what we're doing. Oh, hey, Miss Audra.
15 times 4. Okay. For the brownies. In her bag.
So what I'm looking
What? 4 times. 4 batches. And so basically you just dump the stuff in there and wait for it to melt, and you stir it up. And then you spoon it out on a... Okay, so we need 2.5 cups of flour, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together in a separate bowl. So put that in this bowl. Meanwhile, in there, we need a cream. I don't get upset then. Oh no! No. Hold on. So we do 2 dozen cookies per box. And so I just sat down and kind of planned out how many different kinds of cookies I wanted to do. I think we did 8 different kinds. And then how many I would need each box, and then how many batches that would translate to. And then at every station, I just said, here's your cookie recipe, here's your supplies. I need you to make 10 batches, and I need every batch to have 24 cookies in it. We also utilized Eventbrite to sell cookies. So we had, you could buy your cookies online, or we gave the kids an order form also, where they could go around to different people and order cookies with their form. So this is the second time we've done this fundraiser, and this time we sold 65 boxes of cookies. We did have 3 options. We had just the regular box, we had a plant-based box, and also a nut-free box. And we only sold a few of those options. Mostly it was just the regular. If you've ever done anything like this, I would love to know your tips, or if you want to give this a try and you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to share my expertise of doing this twice. So anyway, I hope you're doing creative things to raise funds for your club. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.